Hey friends, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Lei. Today we're making Korean army stew, my personal take on of the traditional recipe, the ultimate one-pot comfort meal that's spicy, salty, and packed with umami. Let's get cooking. First, prep everything. Slice and dice your vegetables: zucchini, carrots, Chinese turnip, broccoli, potatoes, and so on. Whatever you have in the fridge, use them up. Then chop the aromatics: yellow onion, green onions, and fresh cilantro. Then cut the protein: beef, spam, sausages, and tofu into thin slices. This step keeps everything ready for layering in a pot.
Let me spend a minute talking about the Zojirushi multifunctional electric skillet or pot. Since we bought 2 pots back in 2020, we've been using them non-stop. It is such a game changer for sauteing, stewing, and grilling, and we use it often to make a Chinese hot pot right at the table. While it might be a little bit more expensive, but the cost per use is incredibly low, considering how often we use it, and it's definitely a worthwhile investment for any kitchen.
It's time to build our stew. Start with a base of veggies. Then layer in the sliced protein and shrimp. Next, add the aromatics. And rehydrated yam noodles. This layering helps everything cook evenly and soak up all the delicious flavors. Spicy umami-packed sauce. In a bowl, mix 3 tablespoons of gochujang, which is a Korean chili paste. Equal parts of regular soy sauce. For an extra kick, you can also sprinkle in some gochugaru, which is a Korean chili powder. It's not really that spicy, and the crushed garlic. I typically use anywhere between 4 to 6 cloves of garlic. It's up to you, however many you like to use. Stir it all together, then drizzle the sauce over the top of the pot. Now pour in a few cups of chicken stock, just enough to cover everything halfway. I think I used 3 cups. Cover the pot with a lid and turn the heat to high. Once the stew starts bubbling, open the lid and give everything a good stir to let those flavors blend together. Time to serve. Grab a bowl of steamed rice and start with the beef and spam because they require the least amount of time to cook. Spoon over some of that rich, spicy broth. Enjoy the perfect bite. Salty, spicy, packed with umami. This is comfort food at its best. Please check in the description below for ingredients, step-by-step cooking instructions, and links to products frequently used in my videos. If you enjoy this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe for more authentic dishes from around the world. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.